and welcome to the ASUG News Studio, sponsored by NTT Data. I'm Craig Powers, and today I'm joined by Michael Ryan of IBM, and we're going to talk about customer migration journey through the cloud. So thanks for coming on, Michael. It's great to have you.
Thank you for having me, Craig. I really do appreciate the opportunity.
Great, and so what I was interested about is what are maybe some key challenges or key topics that customers are facing when they're maybe going from on-premise to a cloud.
Yeah, so I've been working with a few clients throughout the past few years on migrating to cloud. I think there's 4 key steps that they have to take through their journey to getting to cloud. The first and foremost thing that a lot of clients struggle with is the strategy around how they're going to move to the cloud. A lot of times companies try to make it a technical cost of ownership type decision, but it's really more about things that they should consider, TCO being one of them, also agility and basically business value. That is really the key point in moving to the cloud.
Right.
So first thing they have to do is get a strategy together. Then after they get their strategy together, you go into the standard type of SDLC type phases. The next one would be the planning, where you take a look at the plan for how you're going to get there and you start your initial design. So for instance, what are my architectural patterns that I need to put together to go to the cloud? So for instance, I may have an SAP BW system that's older technology with a BW accelerator. And maybe what I want to do instead of in the plan, maybe I want to go to HANA because HANA for BW is obviously the direction SAP is going, or one of the components within the business suite. So that's a consideration that they would take. So you do that initial planning and initial design, and then you run into the design phase. Once you've established your patterns, what you want to do is you want to go through for each of your patterns and decide, for instance, maybe I want an infrastructure as a service type solution where I have my own basis team do the basis work and the DBA work, or maybe I want to go in and look at platform as a service. And then after I've done that and determined which bytes that I'm going to take out and move to the cloud, then I have to actually go execute. So one thing I may choose to do, and one of my clients has done this, is they'll move a set of systems into the cloud and have components like ECC, SRM, BW, CRM, portal, and they'll take that initial environment and they'll choose to copy those environments so that they have additional testing systems and things like that. So that's pretty much in a nutshell the journey.
Right. And I know you and I were talking before this, and you were saying one of the most important things from SAP recently has been, I guess, announcements, advancements around HANA Enterprise Cloud. Can you talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, I'll talk a little bit. I mean, that's very exciting for IBM, and I believe it's very exciting for SAP as well. SAP's direction is certainly HANA, and I think we're all very much in tune with that. So what's happening is we're seeing an opportunity for IBM, in our case, to where we're able to host in our SoftLayer offering the HANA services that SAP provide. So as we're going through that and seeing what I'm seeing at client sites is when I go in and talk to them a little bit about cloud, they're looking at their standard set of applications that they run, but they're also considering moving to HANA, and right now what's happening that's very exciting is there are a number of proof of concepts that are in place, and some companies have taken the leap and moved there. And to me, that's one of those things where HANA is a very powerful offering for the business, and it's really a game changer for them. So as our clients start to look at that from an IBM and SAP perspective, those are things that can be a game changer for their business, and they should consider moving to that.
Right, and I guess, wrap it up, maybe a 20-second answer. What is the number one thing that maybe right now someone who's considering moving to the cloud should, why should they want to move to the cloud?
Why should they want to move to the cloud? So to me, and I'm a techie, the main reason you want to move to the cloud is your ability to respond to the business. Businesses have to move better, quicker, faster, cheaper. From an IT perspective, we want to understand how to keep the cost down in OpEx. So it's really about the business value and the agility we can offer from a cloud perspective.
Great. Well, thanks for coming on, and I hope you have a great rest of your tech ed.
Okay, thank you for your time, Craig. I appreciate it.
Thank you. And thank you for joining us. For more SAP customer stories, head to asugnews.com.